In our context, common maritime priorities such as tackling climate change, controlling piracy, terrorism, drug trafficking, and overfishing, freedom of commerce on high seas, etc., need to be addressed by all of us cooperatively by avoiding ruinous pursuit of selfish goals which would make the region less secure and less prosperous. If the threats that we face are supranational in scope and impact, international efforts to address them would indeed have limited effects. It believes that other countries are increasing their military capabilities. This leads to a suboptimal arms race to the detriment of all the countries. However, if all the countries cooperate by reducing their military spending, they could collectively achieve greater security and save resources for other needs. The dilemma arises from the fear that if one country decreases the military spending while others do not, it may be left vulnerable.